have a look round Broad Street shops and see what it's all about. Tax-free prices apparently. So if you forget your adapters while you're here, you can buy them on board. Some nice Radley bags there. Ted Baker. Electronics, headphones, cables, adapters. Got your perfumes. Daisy Marc Jacobs 45.50. Not sure if that's a bargain.
Sorry, the one that doesn't have.
Bulgari miniatures, £50. Lancome, it's 33. You get your cigarettes on board. Deal of the day, you've got 10% off. So you can get the prices. There you go, you got your tobacco prices. Unbelief. 250 grams, 60. Some edges.
Right now we have this one is
£60, 200. Don't know if that's expensive or not. Heads and edges.
250 you get
Silver, 57. From tobacco, 52.
Thank you.
Lambert and Butler, 40. Marlboro, 60. They don't look cheap. That looks expensive. Got more bags here. Ted Baker, Radley. £100 there. Not sure what brand that is. I think it's Ted Baker. Yeah, Vanners, flip flops. £26 for a Vanners. Got your beach bags, scarves. Got a selection of watches. See if there's a price on these. Probably is, can't see them. Well, that one there, Citizen 181. Not seeing a bargain up to now. More scarves. Gilets there. More bags. Catered for the women, this place. David Jones, Paris. Have a look at the duty free. Yeah, that seems reasonable. Got Captain Morgan, 15. Whitney Neal, 20. Famous Grace, 15. Tequila Rose. Gin, 15. Limoncello, 15. These are all litres, by the way, not bottles. So if you want to get, you're on board the Marella, or you're coming on the Marella, duty free on here is good value, by the looks of it.
I think if he does smoke rolling, it will be better
You get your cigarettes as well in here.
This one, this is all rolled in tobacco, lovely, so it comes in different sizes. So you've got the 250 grams, which is fine.
I don't smoke, so I don't know if this is expensive or not.
You've got
But
the
it's
10 pouches here,
£50
500 grams, which is for your allowance.
for Super Kings for 200. I'm sure you'll let me know in the comments. And guys, I don't say it often enough, but if you could like and subscribe, that'd be absolutely amazing. You can get your GHDs on here. 124. That doesn't seem a bad price, to be honest. Get your creams, face wash. I know Dev likes this. That seems expensive. Yeah, she loves that. £114. Wow. You get your fragrance, your aftershaves, your colognes, got everything. Good selection of Hugo Boss and Boss, Marc Jacobs, Eternity, Calvin Klein. Got over here, Yves Saint Laurent, Prada, Lancome. This is more like it. Got your tag watches. Some nice aqua races there. £4 grand. Not bad.
This shape is slightly different. This shape keeps on the first day. That's the first day, first C day, you're going to get good discount. The last day, we don't have a C days. Yeah, it's just a food. So the guests don't have that
So.
time to buy it. So the buying power, you have it, that's for today. Sounds good?
400 quid.
I forgot to say all of you. Good morning. Lovely.
Citizen. Bit cheaper there, 280. Some nice watches.
Doesn't matter, the energy matters. Lovely. So, do you want 18 karat gold layered on top of it, yeah? That's a beautiful. Yeah. Who wants to win this one? Okay, one here. Two. Okay. Other side there? Oh, yes. Alright. So, this is the bracelet you're going to win. Sounds good? Lovely. So, let me find one lady which is 25. Alright then. So if you don't win, you know the person to be blamed, yeah? Miss Julie. Yeah? Lovely. And what
Julie pulls out Julie.
yeah, then the crowd will decide what they have to do it, yeah?
Pull mine out.
You don't have to look there. Okay. So deck 6 here. Oh, we have a couple of guests here. Okay. Sounds good. So this is deck 6. Cabin number 6538, Miss
I
Karina.
was going to say
Here? Anywhere here?
Oh, she's sitting here.
Come on, she didn't expect it.
That's my daughter-in-law.
That is a trick to win.
Miss Karina, come to this side, please. In this lovely, she didn't expect it. She was on the floor sitting there nicely. Yeah. Congratulations, Miss Karina.
Thank you very much.
Won it. You are the first winner here. So this is a bracelet. I'm going to
Just watching there, you could put your cabin number into a draw to win a bracelet, and lucky winner there on deck 6 has just won a nice gold bracelet. How good's that? We've got Pandora shop. You like your Pandora? You got your Pandora. Also got a range of sweets, chocolates, Toblerones, They'll be expensive in here. You got a price on? No price on. But they will be. Got your crisps. And some clothing there, some soft toys for the little ones. Bluey. Hiya Bluey. You got Peppa Pig. Got to say I'm really impressed. They've got a great range in the shopping centre down here. Look at this in front of us. Who's this guy? How are you doing? Not sure what all that's about. Pink llama. Hello.